This was a 72-year-old one-eyed patient who was stone deaf, counting fingers, visual acuity, brown cataract, done under topical anesthesia. She had a bad pannus from old trachoma. Did a CCC as usual, and here I'm cleaning up the anterior cortical matter, and then pushed the nucleus a little bit downwards and drilled a hole in the subincisional nucleus, then rotated it and made another hole. After pushing the nucleus down a bit, drilled another hole in the nucleus. You see the phaco sleeve is a good guide to the depth at which the needle is going. So I make sometimes 2, sometimes 4 holes like this. And then the chopper goes into one of the drill holes, and then you just pull the 2 instruments together and separate the nucleus, and it cracks quite well. So you do the same on the other holes. So you get nice 4 pieces of nucleus with nicely cracked posterior plate. I also make the nucleus smaller by chopping it into more fragments, so that I don't have to use too much of power, and that is good for the endothelium. You see here, it's quite easy to chop. And the patient wasn't very cooperative, as she couldn't hear me at all. She was stone deaf. I was a little worried because she was also one-eyed. And this way all the fragments were emulsified, and I had a good capsule bag. Thank you. I hope you liked the video. If you did, please click the like button so that I get motivated, and also do subscribe to the channel so that you don't miss any future videos that I upload. Thank you so much. Have a good day.